This Samsung came in absolutely destroyed. The glass was shattered everywhere, and the top corner was actually caved in. A repair shop sent it to me after trying to fix the motherboard. The board was considered beyond repair, but the display still worked, so all they needed was a glass replacement. After bubble removal and curing, we're done. And check out the final result. And this is after the repair. The screen looks fantastic. Under very bright light, you can still spot a few minor marks if you look closely. But overall, the result is excellent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair.